are currently at the BQR Open House and I've had to grab Jamie because today me and Peck are choosing some of our favourite cars in the meet and this is one of them. Unfortunately we're not going to be able to drive it or take it out on the road, but we are going to be able to go in depth about it, and we've got the owner and the builder of the car right here. Jamie, please man, tell us about this absolute masterpiece of a car you've got, dude.
Right, so it started off as a 2.8.
Yep.
328 coupe.
Lovely.
Bought it
worth a lot of money now.
I got it cheap. I got it very cheap. Started off 2.8. That had S52 cams, M3 throttle bodies.
Nice.
Rebuilt limited slip diff, all that kind of stuff. Made about 260, 265.
Yeah, yeah.
You know, kind of not too bad. Then the wide body came along following that. I put over fenders on, as you can see, fitment lab phase 2.
Oh, that's exactly what I've got for my E36, just so.
Good fitment.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, they go on well.
Can't do it yet because I'm too tight to do the wheels.
Right, okay, yeah, I see what you mean. Yeah, I fit those and thought, time for a bit more power, and in comes the S54. So.
S54, man. So what sort of power is this putting out now?
Hasn't been dynoed, I should hope 360, 370.
Nice.
It's tuned for the carbon plenum.
Yeah.
Makes a good noise and it goes well, so.
Heck, come on in. Look at that. How cool is that, man? I mean, it's nearly as nice as our one, right?
Is that carbon?
Yeah.
Yeah,
but yeah, it's absolutely beautiful.
Excuse the mess, we've got jackets, we've got jumpers.
Yeah, yeah, man, no worries. So can we shut this real quick? Show them the graphics on it and that. Oh.
That's all right, it's only a strut.
Me breaking it. Look at how cool that looks.
It's on the LTW in America, as you can imagine.
Cool.
The paint was poor, so I thought the decals would take your eye away from it.
Man, I think they look so. When we pulled up in here, I was like, oh, that looks nice, Peck. Like, Apex wheels, what ones are these?
Apex arcades.
Arcades, yeah.
I've only had them for about a month, and they're difficult to get hold of now.
Yeah.
Stop production.
Oh, have they?
Yeah, so.
Man, these are super, super nice wheels, and they fit like, wow, they fit so good, don't they? And you've kind of got the short stack spoiler on the back here.
Used to have a high rise. And I kind of thought it's a small car with such a big wing.
Yeah.
It needs to go down kind of thing. Took the risers out and I think it suits. I think it looks
I think it looks awesome, man.
Yeah, so
awesome. Let's have a look on the inside.
Of course, carry on. So, stripped out in the back with SW Motorsports half cage. Half-cage bolting. It is still a road car.
So it is still a road car, yeah?
It is a road car. I didn't want to go full strip, carpet, everything. Nardi steering wheel, oil pressure gauge.
Is this one of these BBS wheels?
That's a Nardi, that one.
A Nardi, yeah?
That is a Nardi, yeah.
It looks exactly like those ones that have the BBS.
With the cover on.
Yeah, yeah. No, it's really cool, man. What
Nardi
shift
wheel.
is this you're using?
Born to drift shifter, chassis mount.
Nice.
It's all polybush mounted throughout the car as well.
Awesome.
So everything's nice and tight. Fast road car, becoming a track car, I think it suits it. It's not too raw for the road kind of thing.
I think it's so cool, man. Like I said, when we got here, the second I was like, man, I want to park next to that. I was like, because I'm seeing the M3, I was like, I want to park next to that. It's so nice. Like,
cheers, bud.
It's just such a cool look, and like, I love that you can see it's used, and it's really, really proper. So you say it's 360-ish, hopefully, horsepower?
We should hope so. 360 at the crank.
How does it feel?
I'll be happy. It feels amazing. It feels like an OEM swap car. Yeah, it's got 8,400 RPM. 3.45 diff.
Screamer.
It goes well.
Oh man. Cheers, Jamie, so much for having us
a lot.
on, man. What's your Instagram where people can find you or anything like that?
S54 Jam.
There we go. Hopefully you go and follow him. Tell him you love the video on the channel. Hit like, hit subscribe. Jamie, thanks so much, dude.
It's all good.
What
no
a cool
problem.
car. Let us know down below what you think. I absolutely love this thing. Wow, it's so cool. Make sure you subscribe. See you later.